Imagine what a company would look like that valued innovation and excellence. Now envision a team of employees that never forget they are a team. Can you imagine a business that spent more time asking questions before providing answers? How about a company that has never forgotten its roots, even while it continues to build for the future? Just think of what could happen if that same company decided to selectively choose only the best vehicle equipment in the industry. Now imagine how much easier these simple ideas make everything for that company's customers. At Expertec, we do all of those things, and we've done them every single day for nearly 2 decades.